Okay, so this is how I do multiplication so that I never get it wrong. So let's say we have, like, for example, 357, right, times, for example, like 294, whatever. So I space them out like that so that there's room for me to write around the numbers. So I don't do anything with this. Because there's 3 digits, I'm gonna create 3 different multiplication problems. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do this, and I know you can't see it, but I will move the camera in a bit. So I'm gonna do that. So breaking up the 90 like that. And then I'm gonna do one last one like this, right? So I'm breaking up this number into 3 different problems because there's 3 different digits in the bottom number. If there was 2, I would do 2 problems. If there was 4, I would do 4 problems, and so on. So let's start doing the first one. So what I would do is, so you have to multiply this one by this one, this one by that one, and this one by that one. So I would do 4 times 7 is 28, right? So I would write it there, so I don't have to I don't have to hold it in my head. I can just write it down. It's there. I don't have to think about it anymore. And then, so you take the last digit, put it here, 8, and then you take the first digit, the carry digit, and you write it on top, 2. So I would write, and then 4 times 5 is 20, and then so 20 plus 2 is 22. So that's the second digit. You could do this if you wanted. You could do like plus equals 22, and then you'd write 2 here, and then you'd carry the 2. So 4 times 3 is 12, right? 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, so 4 and then 1, right? So that's that number. And then you would do this. And you could do it a different way, but I like just doing it like this. Just write times 10 right there, so that I could just do 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 7 is 63. Put the 3 there, which is it's kind of weird. It's not technically correct, but it helps me visualize it. And then carry the 6. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 6 is 51. 51. Carry the 5. 9 times 3 is 27, right? So 27 plus 5 is 32. Add that there. And then times 10, so I remember that I have to add the 0 at the end. 3, so then we do this one as well. And then right here, I would just write times 100, so I can remember. 2 times 7 is, and if it helps, you can I usually do an arrow. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 times 3 is 6, right? So carry the 1. Okay, so I forgot to carry. So I would do 4 here, do the 1 here, and then so carry the 1, 11, and then carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, 714. Sorry, I'm like all over the place. I like drank so much coffee. I'm having to deal with it right now. So, and then you would start adding. So I would want to start adding with the biggest number. So I would do 7, and I like spacing them out so I can write and just so everything's clean and I don't make mistakes. 7, 1, 4 times 100, 0, 0, and then they would be this number second, so that's 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, that's cannot be right. 714 times 100 is, yeah, okay, wait. 357 200. Let me just check that real quick. 714 times 200 is 100. Oh wait, fuck. 357 times 200 is 71400. Okay, yep, that's right. I would have done it again on the paper if I thought it was wrong, but okay, whatever. So 3213 times 10, it would be 32130, which doesn't seem right to me at all, but 357 times 90 is 3210. Yeah, so even it's right even when I think it's wrong. 1 4 2 8 would be the last one, because that's the first number. So you add them all together. So 8 5 5 plus 4 is 9 is 3 4 1 plus 2 is 3 2 plus 1 is 4, and then 3 plus 7 is 10. So that would be your answer, is 104958 for that particular question. And let's just check. 357 times 294 is 104958. So that's how I do multiplication. It helps me do it. It's super simple. It's kind of slow, but it's what I think is the best way of doing it. That's never wrong, for the highest likelihood of success. So yeah, just let me know if you have any questions or need help with anything else, and I'll do my best.